Meetings, meetings, meetings. Meetings are something every corporation does a lot of, but that doesn't mean they do them well, right? We've suffered through many of them, all of us have. So what's the difference between a good meeting and a bad meeting? In a bad meeting, we are not clear on who is going to do what. There is no actual agenda. Nobody takes notes. People start late and finish late. In a good meeting, and these are all the components that are listed inside of TeamGuru, there is a standardized agenda developed. There is roll call taken, so we know exactly who is here and who is not. When an action is taken, we collect that action right inside of the meeting module. The individual is notified, and the action gets tracked. So when we come back the following day or the following week, the list of commitments that we've made is right there in front of us.